first of all, we should understand what's dropshipping. Let me explain this just slowly, and then you can start to make money. Because first of all, when we start the business, we should understand the business model, not the platform. When you understand the business model, you can make this business model every single platform. You can do Facebook dropshipping, you can do Amazon dropshipping, you can do eBay dropshipping, also Shopify dropshipping, Bonanza, Etsy, or different platform. But first of all, you should understand the system, how it's works. First of all, what we do, we find kind of supplier. It can be Amazon, it can be, there is thousands and thousands supplier. You should find them. When you find them, we will try to list them item as we have. But we didn't bought nothing yet because we don't need to invest first of all money. First, what we're trying to do, we try to sell them item. And then when customer to purchase this item, we will contact with our supplier and we will get our customer information, which is shipping address and the name and all other stuff. When they purchase, send them the product price. Let's say we try to sell this product 150 and we purchase 50 pound. It's going to be 100 pound profit. Of course, there is some fees or other stuff. But when we sold this item, we get the money and we're going to order this item. Instead of our address, we're going to ship directly to our customer address. So what we're going to be doing, and when we do like again and again, and per day we can make really serious money. So first of all, when we try to start on eBay, you should be really careful about that. eBay really, that moment, it's really strict. So what is eBay? Try to always get a ban for new user. So please make sure when you try to list your item, it's like a kind of second-hand stuff. You just take a picture. It can be your book, it can be your shoes, it can be your t-shirt, and give some at least 1 month. Keep some cookies and always try to go around to just get some, put some item to watch this per day, let's say maybe 10 item, and then after 2 weeks you can start to list your second-hand item. When you start the second-hand item, try to list the same niche 3 different items and not same day. After that, what we're trying to do, we're trying to always like try to show us, for we are not dropshipping on eBay. So let's start, and I'm gonna show you how you can start your own business and what you should be doing. First of all, I'm gonna show a couple software. You don't need to use it. You can always find a free version. However, it will take your time. So I will show what I'm doing, and you can do however you want to do, because you don't need to use the software. It's special if you start new. You don't need to use any software. You try to understand how system work, and then you can start to use software. However, I will show both ways. So which one you want to decide, and you can use both ways. So I'm gonna find the item. First of all, I need to find some item. Where I can find, I can have a look. If you want to, you can just come to free version, watchcount.com here, and just choose your marketplace. And after that, just choose your category. Let's say in this scenario, I'm going to look home and garden or some home furniture. And if you want some specific, maybe you can write here toys or something. I just put the home and show me. When you do like this, you will see the item which is selling very well on right now on eBay. So you can find all information here. If you click one item, you will go to eBay and you will see this item almost sold more than 200,000 times, as you can see here. So if you find something similar, you can find us from Amazon, you can find AliExpress, you can find Alibaba, you can find thousands suppliers out there. If you find them, you just try to list a similar item or same item if they are same. So you can just get a sale as well. This guy's per day, as you can see, today is 24. He sold like a whole page. This is there is the beautiful dropshipping business. However, this guy is not dropshipping. I'm just showing what you can find to sell. So how you can find dropshipper? There is so many ways, but I'm gonna show you on software. For example, I'm just coming here. I'm just again writing the home category, and this is the product research software, Zik Analytics. If you want to, you can use anytime, but this is the paid version. So I show free, and I came here. I check how many people sold this item, and this how it's sold to, and also how much people earn inside 14 days, I believe. Because my filter should be 14 days, but you can always change the month, and there is 90 days or other around. And as you can see, it's here so many people selling same item, and there is always the place you can sell. This guy is a little bigger than others, but it's okay. So I come here, I check what people sell and what they sell and which country they're trying to sell, as you can see here. And if there is a dropshipper, you will see this item and the barcode. So I just find this item, and as you can see, this guy sold so many times. So what I should be do, I can just simply come to here, just search over here to find this item for different software or different place. It can be Amazon, it can be different way, Wayfair. As you can see, you can find everywhere, be honest, but it is the easy way. If you want to, you can always, you can come here, just click here, and then you can just search Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, and CJ. Depends where you want to find it. And then you can find a similar item, and if there is on system, they will show you automatically the same item. And this scenario, I'm just trying to find something to dropship, because people can purchase. And so many people saying like, this is really, in my opinion, this is the mistake. You can sell, if you find the correct niche, you don't need to sell similar, exactly same product. You can find kind of similar, because there is always the way to sell some different stuff. And if you play well, and if you change some title, if you change description, and if you show your customers prettier than others, they will purchase. And then you can sell in time. So in my scenario, I find this item. I'm not looking so deeply to find the dropshipper, and I'm not checking them store. I just find the item. This item selling very well. I can see here, total sold like more than 3,000 times. And this is the cost price, and always change because you put variation. So I find the item. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here. In this scenario, I will choose, for example, this one. And I will try to list this item on my eBay store. Okay, now I'm showing how you can list free. What you have to do, you just come here and grab this information, go to eBay and just right here, type, and then you will see similar list. When you find a similar listing, to make sure it's the same, otherwise it's gonna be a different version, try to be always find similar. If not, just create a new one. And then you can do anytime to go to your listing and then create a new listing. However, in this scenario, I will try to find what I'm trying to list. So this is the item. So I'm going to try to find similar. I believe this is kind of similar, and maybe same item, even not. I will try to list this one. So what I'm going to do, let's say this is same item. You just come here. This is guys sold 4 times. Or however, you can do always like that. So let's go back and let's say this item. And you make sure you're not listing the very item. Do not list very item, because you are not allowed to sell on eBay. So you just have a look. If there is an item, just try to sell similar. Just come here, and then when you scroll down, you will see here to sell it yourself. You just need to click, and that's it. So after that, you just put some information to change the title. If you can find really good keywords, you can always go to Title Builder or different website and just change your name, or if you want to, there is 80 character you can put. Try to use as soon as possible to fit all words keys. Use powerful, because really important. Put in category, picture, and all other stuff. And when you've done everything, you just come here and then just list your item. That's it. And then when you sold this item, just go to buy the Amazon and send your customer, or different platform. You can just always list. There is 1,000 supplier platform. However, if you do with software, what you have to do, I really highly recommend, you can use HustleGoTrail also, AutoDS as well. Depends which. There is a Squid, there is a DSM tool. There is so many software out there. Be honest, you can use any of them, which one you like to use, but I really love the HustleGoTrail, and I use both, like AutoDS as well. So depends on you which one you wanna use. But on this scenario, I will show you with HustleGoTrail right now. What you can do, you just come here. For example, you wanna list this item. There is an extension with HustleGoTrail, as you can see here. You only just need to click this item. They're gonna grab all information, and what gonna be this all information. After you set up all eBay and then link all your store, everything, as you can see, this item is rare. They alert me, so we don't need to list this item. So I will escape this one because I don't want to list the rare item. So I'm going to try this one. Let's have a look. This is rare or not. I just click here. There is coming all information. This is not rare. There is no alert. This is really good, and this is cool feature, because if rare, it can be close your store. There is a different issue as well. So please aware with rare item. If you don't know what's mean rare, please just type the Google, the eBay rare, and then you will get more information about it, which you're not allowed to sell this mark or trademark on eBay. letting you to sell. However, there is, as you can see, there is so many things. Like, for example, I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna put, for example, fund sold 180 times. This software make your life really easy. You can change always anytime. Just make sure it's everything readable and there is meanings. You just don't put like this word selling a lot, but when you put not together, it's like even there is no meanings. This is people like it. So there is a markup which is really easy. They show you how much you're gonna earn after this all sales, because they put in your markup. As you know, when you sell the item, it's like a 10% eBay taken from your sales, and a 4%, 2.9 plus 1.4% is PayPal. Now they changed the managed payment. It's around 40% after your sales you pay for eBay. Let's say you sold item £100, is £14 is going to your fees, like around you earn £86 in your pocket, and then after you're gonna pay what you bought, and then if you have shipping, and then all others in yours after this all VAT and others. However, in this scenario, I put markup in 44%, and there is a $29.99 I will list, and after this sales, I'm going to earn this amount of money after all expenses go. And there is a policy, and you can change the description if you want to. There is so many options. It can be look better or other stuff, however you want. Image, there is always, you can edit if you want to with link. You can click here, and then you can list more link. And there is so many setting, but this is keep. It is how it is if you don't know what you need to do. But if you need, you can always just type the comment. I can try to help you. If not, you can always contact with Hustlegoat. They can help you as well. And they have a YouTube channel, so you can just watch them. They really explain everything step by step, how you should be doing. But however, I can help you as well. So no worries about it. You just try to get more sales. When you've done everything, just click the list on eBay, and if everything's okay, just like this, as you can see, your listing has been submitted and begin process. It takes like 1 minute, and then after 1 minute, this item is called my. So what gonna be? Nothing. It's gonna be get sale. You're gonna get sales, and what you're gonna do after sales? Don't worry, I will show you everything. This one exactly again free version and also paid version as well. Now, when you get the sales, what you should be doing? You just go here and put this item in your basket. And when you just put your basket and just go checkout, put instead of your home address, your customer address. So what gonna be? They will ship directly to your customer address. Please make sure if you send your customer this item, put a gift option. Otherwise, they will be invoice included. However, there is a way to hide up. I won't explain to this one, but you can do also like this. You can always put the invoice address to your own address, and you can always deliver the different option. There is always option, guys. So after that, you can do like this, or when you're gonna get more sales, you can't be honest like every time sit the computer and always non-stop send daily like a 50 order, 60 order. It's gonna be take long, all day long. So you don't wanna do that. What you can do, you can automate. This is the paid version that I'm showing. Always you can work with VNEJ. What's that? There is, as you see, like there is order, guys. There is like so many orders, and then when you see the orders, they automatically sending. When the customer purchase something, they go to my Amazon account. They buy some stuff. As you can see, there is so many orders. There is always global shipping. I'm allowed the eBay global shipping, sending all world, and this is like so many items you can sell. So what you can do like that, guys, you can like non-stop, you just list, and then as you can see, there's always profit, and people sell and send them address automatically. You don't need to do nothing, be honest. You only have to make sure it's everything going well, because sometimes, as you can see, there is alert. Just make sure it's what's wrong, and then if you know what's the problem, just try to fix it, because sometimes your balance doesn't enough, or maybe some issue with your address, deliver address, because sometimes customers put wrong address, and just make sure everything all right. If you everything all right, you don't need to worry about it, because you can system working automatic. However, how much you can earn money, guys? You can earn really good money if you want to start. As you can see here, when we started this shop, it was like it wasn't more sales, but when you started with each like a daily, almost week, like 4 grand, 2 grand, 3 grand, pound, we can do even more than that. I know it because we have so many stores we do, but this is like simple. As you can see, guys, you can just make a sale, and then you can see how much you pay fees and all other stuff, how much you keep profit, and you can always you can top up everything like a 13 or 14 thousand pound per month. This is really so easy. Even always you can make more sales if you always put like a non-stop when it's correct way. You need to find the correct niche which you're working on your store, and just create another store, and then put more. Each store make more money. because you always get different sales. But please make sure do not link your store. If you link your store, it can be an issue, because if someone gets suspended, it can be affect the other store. So make sure you do not link them. If you link them, then make sure you manage them all correct. Otherwise, your business gonna be shut down shortly. eBay gonna send you some information, and it can be some suspension or some hold or some flag. You can always contact with eBay. They're gonna try to help you to open your store, but please make sure play the game in the correct. And after that, and if you want to get more information, always you can contact with us, the digitalmarketmentoring.com, our website. You can always come, and you can always, there is a live chat, you can text and any information if you want to. And also always you can see here in Udemy, you can always contact with me in our website here or Facebook group. We have like really more than 10,000, maybe something around like 1,000 students, as they always help them each other. You can always contact our YouTube channel. We have a couple YouTube channels, so you can check. And then, yeah, you can always contact with us if you have any problem. As you can see now, we have like more than 20,000 students. Well, we have so many people. I hope this can be helpful for you. This is, as you see, what you have to do. It is really so simple, guys. Just start, list your item, and try to sell this item. When it's sold, just try to send your customer as soon as possible and everything correctly. And if you please make sure when you send your all information, some tracking information, this is really important for your own eBay store. And if you do the same again, and then same again, and same again. There is no magic, this money you can earn. This is, as you see, what I show you, and I did everything exactly the same what I'm doing. And you can start right now. What you have to do, just go eBay, which country you try to do. Right now I'm showing to eBay UK. You just eBay go eBay.com, eBay, different country, which country you want to do work, and then create your own eBay store in a minute and try the list, and then try to get sales. And when you get sales, send your customer and do it again and again. Thanks so much, guys. What you thinking about it? And if you have any help, a question, please write on the comment, and we will try to help you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for sharing your time. All the best for you, and see you the next one.